In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on LinkedIn. First things first, we need to ensure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're in, take a look at your dashboard. Here, you have a couple of options for accessing your messages. Let's start by focusing on the messaging section, which you will find prominently displayed. If you're on your LinkedIn homepage, you should see a small messaging icon at the bottom right corner. Click on this icon and it will expand into a drop-up menu where you'll see your recent conversations. Alternatively, you can also find a messaging tab at the top of the screen. Clicking this tab will open your messages in full screen view, providing a more comprehensive look at your ongoing conversations. Now let's talk about how to delete a conversation. If you're using the small window on the right-hand side, hover over the conversation you wish to remove. Over to the right part of the message, you'll notice 3 horizontal dots. These dots are your gateway to more options. Click on them and you'll see the option to delete conversation. Select this and you'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. Similarly, if you're viewing your messages in full screen mode, you'll follow a similar process. Navigate to the conversation you aim to delete, then look towards the top of the conversation where the same set of 3 horizontal dots will be displayed. Click those, and again, the option to delete conversation will appear. Click this option, and as with the smaller window, a confirmation will pop up, giving you a chance to rethink or affirm your decision to delete. Now, there might be instances where you do not want to open the conversation but still wish to delete it. In such cases, simply point your mouse over to those 3 horizontal dots beside the chat message on the left side of your message list. Click on these dots, and voila, the delete conversation option will present itself once more. It's quite the handy little shortcut if you're aiming for efficiency. It's important to know that every time you attempt to delete a conversation, LinkedIn will ask for your confirmation. It's a small but valuable step to ensure you're absolutely sure about removing your chat history. When you've confirmed your decision, just click delete, and the message will be promptly erased from your account. And there you have it. It's a straightforward process, but knowing exactly where to click and what to expect makes it even easier. That's how you delete messages on LinkedIn without any fuss. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.